Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2008 Toyota Camry with the hybrid system. On this Toyota Camry we're going to go over how you remove to be able to replace your headlight assembly. So first you're going to start with removing the bumper, already detailed, but you remove the bumper, and once you remove the bumper, this one you can access without the bumper removed, but there's a bolt here that you'll need to remove the bumper for. And then there's a bolt over here. So there's 3 bolts to hold this headlight assembly on. And then with the bumper on, the bumper sits in these grooves here, and your headlights actually help hold the bumper on. So that's why you need to remove it. So just remove these 3 bolts. They're size 10. With those 3 bolts removed, now you can just, you gotta pick this up a teeny bit, because there's the tab there, holds it up, and you can remove, and then on the back side, you want to unhook all the electric connectors by pressing and unclipping, or take all the lights out, either way. But so that's how you remove your front headlight assembly. So we've removed our front headlight assembly for repair, and then so that's how you remove it on your 2008 Toyota Camry. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.